Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Caro if you're new here, and in today's video I want to take you along with me as I make strawberry chocolate chip cookies. Originally this was going to go so much more different. I had seen these online and I wanted to recreate them, and so I saved them. And then today when I came to prepare to make the cookies, I realized I don't have white chocolate chips and I don't have freeze-dried strawberries. So David went to the store for me to look for the white chocolate chips and they were nowhere to be found. And then when I searched online for any freeze-dried strawberries near me, they were also non-existent. And David even said that he's never actually ever seen freeze-dried fruit in Spain. I mean, I'm sure they exist, probably just not near my area, and I would have to order them. And I just don't think that that makes sense. I'm just going to make cookies with what I have here. I don't know, let's see if it works out. So let's get to baking. Oh my...
Because he's homeless.
Yeah, but baby, I love you. Okay, today is International Women's Day. He's just amazing. Okay, they're gonna stay there for the rest of the video because they're so beautiful. I'll put them in water later. I think I'm gonna put on this apron. I don't really wear aprons because I don't have one other than this one, and it's not even mine, it's David's. My mom got it for him when she came to visit us. When she came over. So we'll put this on. This is so funny. Let me figure out what I'm gonna use to mix this and then I'll be right back. Okay, I only found these whisk looking things which you have to connect to like the whole machine thing, but I don't think we have one. So I'm gonna manually have to whisk it with this. Okay, so while the oven is preheating, I'm going to now cookie sheet line my, pan. Okay, so this is what my batter looks like. I was a little concerned because I can't remember the last time that I made cookies from scratch, or if I have ever like this. I've made some before with oatmeal and the consistency was very different. And this one is like, I don't know. So we'll see how it goes. I asked the internet and they said that this is the way it's supposed to look because of the sugar and the butter. So that makes sense. But I'm gonna hope for the best. But yeah, this is what... Okay, so as you saw, I tried to make them as round as possible. I'm hoping that this works. The oven is ready and it's preheated. Okay, let me tell you my doubts before they go in. So some of the cookie chunks are a little bit bigger than the other ones. I'm afraid that they're just not gonna cook correctly, but we'll see. They're going in for, I actually don't even know how much they're going in for. Okay, 9 minutes. Let's do 9 first. Okay, we'll do 9 minutes, but we'll continue watching them constantly. The weather outside is actually getting pretty like gloomy. It's been gloomy for a couple of days now. If you live here in Valencia, you know how the weather's been kind of sucky lately. And the sun came out this morning and I was thinking that today was going to be a super sunny, beautiful day. It's still a beautiful day, but it's just like raining. To be honest, I love this weather, so I'm not really complaining. However, I just wanted to give you a weather forecast. Okay, it's done. Okay guys, so the cookies are out of the oven, they're done, and this is what they look like. They are gorgeous. Now I will say they did come out very cakey And it's not because I added too much egg, because I just added 1 egg. And I don't think it's because I added too much flour, because oh, it might have been because I added too much flour. I added a lot of flour. I know what the problem was, baby. I put too much flour at the end. Remember you told me not to put flour and I added more? That's the problem. Pick one. Pick that one.
Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Mmm. So good.
But they're really good. I tried them already.
Eat that one, trust me.
I like them because they taste like chocolate covered strawberries. I will say, if you are going to make some of these, my tip would be to not use too much flour and to make the cookies on the sheet a lot smaller and thinner, because my problem when I make cookies is I always make them so thick. Like, look how thick that is. They're cooked and they're safe to eat. It's just that they're so, what do you call it? Like, they're just so cakey. And I think it's because I added too much flour. I think they're gonna taste even better the next day once they get like a lot more stiff.
I know.
I think so. If I were to give some tips on like how to make them better, I would not add too much flour. I would just add the amount that was told. I just didn't have any measuring cups, so that made it a little bit harder. And I would probably refrigerate my dough before baking it for at least an hour, because I feel like refrigerated dough just is, I feel like the cookies come out better. I don't know, but those are some tips that I would give. I think next time I would actually probably put white chocolate chips in them because I want to see how they would taste. But other than that, thank you so much for staying up to this point and for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you recreate these cookies and that you let me know when you do. You can tag me on my Instagram or comment down below that you did it. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day and I will see you in the next one.